My name is Dr. Moritz Lehmann, and here I am demoing Arc Pro P60 workstation GPUs from Intel running workstation software. Here we have a system with a single Arc Pro P60 running SolidWorks. This renders with the real-view graphics to show even very complex models. Here this is an Audi R8 that utilizes around 2 GB of video memory. You can imagine how large the models can get with 24 GB to your availability. If you need more memory, we have another workstation here with 4 Arc Pro P60 workstation GPUs with 96 GB memory in total. This is running the FluidX3D CFD software. Here I have a model of Flynn Spike from the Tron movie. This is running in real time at 1.8 billion grid cells, and it's also rendering in real time. Each GPU renders its own image of its own domain, and then the images are overlaid. The communication between the GPUs happens over PCI Express. Arc Pro P60, they support PCIe Gen 5 by 8, and that is plenty fast for multi-GPU workloads.